Hello, here's the cutting station. Today I'm going to show you a product, BMW F30 F35 ambient light. You see this one? Take a whole view. Then we go to the detail. This product, you can see this color is black. Actually, we have the blue, black, red, and silver. The four colors for option. This is the, the monitor frame, and this is the food lamp, food light, food lamp. Okay, and this is the, see that this is the rear door, the right door, yeah, right side rear door, left side rear door, called driver seat, yeah, see that like this. Okay, very clear, right? Center. Okay, let us see the how to restore. First, this cable, yeah, this cable is for this one, yeah, connect here. Then this is switch from the original car original car. This okay. Then we see the module, cables module. Okay, I already identified that this whole set. This is from the left side. You see this one. This is the driver seat, the driver door, yeah, and this is the left side, the rear door. Okay, and this is the left side, the foot lamp. Clear? This left side for this car, and then go to here, come to this side, the same. See this one is the foot light on the right side, and the right side rear door, and the co-driver seat door. Clear, right? And this cables is for the four door extension cables, yeah. All these pins you see, this is a female pin, you install it through the door socket, pin socket. Okay, so all this control by this module, ambient light module. Ambient light module here is from here, yeah, cables, that ambient light cables connect to module here. This side connect to the iDrive, BMW iDrive. Okay, switch on the iDrive. Directly plug and play, no need any other cables connect. This is for the car code ambient light. Okay, is it for this product, for different car model, a BMW different car, it has different connect with, but almost is the same. Very easy, plug and play. And this is use the iDrive control the color, 9 colors. Some car use the button to control that type. At that product, you need to connect the ACC and the G&D for the switch button. Okay, if anyone interesting for this ambient light, can call us. Thank you. Cutting station. Thank you.